As you mentioned, formerly we are Industrial Bank in Taiwan, and till 2017, we transferred to a commercial bank. At that moment, because it already have a lot of the commercial bank in Taiwan, and then we are just launched. So our strategy is to focus on the digital banking. So that's why we called ourselves is digital Taiwan first digital native bank. Also the name, I want to introduce the name, the O bank, the O. That means that we fulfillment and then we fulfillment ourselves by benefiting others. Another means that analyze the cycle of life. Okay. We take care of all the customer, their life cycle, their financial service needs. Yeah, so I think the digital bank, the character is that speed. You need to deliver the product in a very faster. And then we need to, in a very short term, we can design a suitable product for each customer or maybe each segment customer to deliver the product to them or service. It's the niche for the digital banking. I think Temenos is a leader vendors. Their solution is quite flexible and cloud native and agile. So during we implement the core system with Temenos, we choose the solution is because we found that it's light and then easy to implement, easy to adopt. Actually, we implement the system we in only 1 year from scratch to now. So it is only 1 year we implement a core system. The whole retail banking core system, corporate banking is another core system. But for the Temenos solution, it support the whole retail banking system. For example, before you want to design a product, maybe it will take a long time because the legacy system hurdle, and maybe take 2 or 3 months, we can launch a new product. But by using Temenos, just need to set up the parameter, and then we do the testing, and then we can go live. Time saving for the new product. And also that because the system is very flexible and easy to integrate with the surrounding system or external system. So we don't need to have much manual intervention. So it's a lot of the process is automation. So it's make our operation is much efficient. We use the Temenos core banking. We design so-called multi-tier term deposit. After the product launch, just only 1 quarter, our new customer acquisition is grows 12%, and then the deposit balance is grows around 75%. So it's a very huge growth. It's because the system provide the very flexible mechanism, so it's easy for us to design the product and then in time to launch to the market. Actually, there are two customer segmentation. One is we focus on the young generation because the digital channel is our major channel. So we make the very good app to attract the new young generation. So this is one of the customer segmentation. Another is we focus on the customer with lot of the asset, lot of his wealth. So we provide the kind of the wealth management product. So there's two major segmentation. I think the Temenos provide a very good tool to integrate with the surrounding system. And like they have the adapter or API. It's very standard and easy for us to integrate with the external party and the internal party. And also the new version, as I know that they they call it one platform, one banking platform, and put a lot of the banking business a solution in one platform. So we don't need to do a lot of integrate. We just use the one platform, and then each solution they integrate seamless. Actually, the version that we own is still the old version, but it's supposed to go to cloud. Okay, for the new version, I think it's cloud native. You don't need to do a lot of effort, and it's easy to deploy on the cloud. We still consider about the regulator. So once the regulator is open, I think that will be the way to go cloud. The architecture is cloud architecture, cloud design as a cloud architecture, but still on premises, operate still on premises. Is because the regulator. They are very helpful, especially we just launched the retail banking around 8 years. So the experience is not a lot. So partially it's from the Temenos consulting to help us to develop our retail banking business. And actually the numbers, we have a strong growth together with Temenos. Here last year, our assets is around 12 billion dollars, and the profit last year is around 100 million dollars. Okay, and till now, just only 8 years, we got around 60,000 customers. Maybe it's not a very huge customer base. Yeah, we are profitable. Luckily, because before we focus on we are industrial bank, so we have a lot of the corporate customer. So we leverage the corporate customer. From the corporate, we acquire a lot of the retail banking customer, and we totally different with other digital bank because we not just only give the incentive, cashback, point, but we do is that long term we partner with the customer, we take care of them the just as I mentioned the life cycle, the financial service needs. Yeah, so it's a long term partnership. Not only we just give the incentive and then after that they go away. The founder positioning our bank as boutique digital bank. We not only run the digital bank, but we need to be boutique. Okay, that means that as I mentioned, we do everything is long-term partnership with customers. Not only the very short term, we just give our product and then already when the product close, we don't have any connection. I think it's a very big difference compared to other banks. The short-term or future plan, the short-term plan is to upgrade the core banking system to the new version. Now our version is old, and then we are going to upgrade to the Transact version, which is much flexible and cloud native. So the version is version 15. We will upgrade to the new version, and we can next year. So it's coming next year. And we have corporate banking core system merged to the Temenos, but it's long term, maybe 3 years, because our app, our digital platform is quite old. So we still consider how to upgrade or to migrate to another solution. Currently, it's not Temenos, but because we have to maintain two core banking, it's very costly. So we try to merge together. Our bank, we are not a big size. We are middle size. So we don't have lot of the IT people to do the coding. So I think the package Temenos is very good for us, such middle-sized bank, because we just using the parameter setting, and then we can faster to go live, and we don't need a lot of people to maintain or do the daily operation for the core system. So I think it's a very good solution for all bank.